What's up guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Quick video. Where is the L400 Cen build? Well, it's right there, but I've had some issues. Not myself, but the engine had to send it back and get a new one. And I'm waiting on that to come back. The problem is, out of stock, and I have to wait for that, I think, till like October. So, that guy, although being ready for the first start and everything, I can't do anything. All the gearboxes is set up, the mesh was good, the linkages were fine, you got first, second, third and reverse, they all worked, steering servo worked, throttle and brake, everything worked. So I'm just waiting on that. Sorry guys, but yeah, there's not much I can do in the meantime. I think it will work. The only way to find out if those ratios are good is to run it. And that's the next step, but some things are out of our control. I do have this to build in the meantime. Check out that. Look at that patina on that box. It's a re-release, but it's probably been sitting there for nearly, I don't know, 10 odd years. So that's something to do. And it's also lockdown again here in Sydney, Australia. COVID run rampant again. So friggin' annoying. You can't do anything. Can't even go out and use our cars for the moment. So yeah, pretty upsetting there. But I haven't given up on this. Don't worry, it's still going. It's just, man, it is what it is. And sorry about that, but it will be coming. Oh, there's also that new two-cylinder version, new two-cylinder motor, not a Toyan, but I'll leave the link for that down below. That looks even better, in my opinion. So I'll get that hopefully soon, and I'll put it straight into this guy. It'll fit in the Cen F450, I believe, quite nicely. So that might be just direct replacement, so I can get it in something and test it out, and we'll see how we go. So that's it, quick update. Haven't given up, but you have to just bear with me. Cheers guys.